Italian pasta salad. A must-try pasta salad recipe for the summer classic cold pasta salad dish. Super easy to make, really flavorful and fresh. This is a weeknight's dream meal. You can easily make it ahead of time or whip it up at the last minute. Cut cucumbers into small pieces. Take a big cup of grape tomatoes and cut them into halves. I love grape tomatoes because they are sweet, but you can use any you have. Chop parsley finely. Take 300 milligrams of Feta cheese, cut it into chunks, and crumble. Also for this salad, you will need 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed. I use canned ones. 1 cup of arugula or any other green leaves, small cup of toasted pine nuts. Let's cook an Italian dressing. Chop 3 garlic cloves and put them in a medium bowl. Add 75 milliliters of olive oil. Squeeze lemon juice. Add salt. One tablespoon Dijon mustard. Add some Italian pasta seasonings. Smells tasty. I bought fusilli giganti pasta for the salad because my kids want to try it very much, but you can use any type of pasta you have. Cook your pasta in a large pot of salted, boiling water according to the package instructions. Drain it, toss it with some olive oil, and set it aside. Let's toss everything together in a big bowl. Serve in 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the dressing a chance to permeate veggies and pasta. Decorate with fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your Italian pasta salad. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.